What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 things that I wish I would have known before I started my affiliate marketing business. And we're starting right now. What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and this is the first time you've come to my channel. Welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel by hitting that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified whenever I release a new video. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be telling you about the 5 different things that I wish I would have known prior to me actually starting my affiliate marketing business that would actually save me a lot of money and time. So let's go and jump right into these 5 topics. Number 1, I wish I would have started building my list from the beginning of me actually creating my online business. Now guys, when I first started out, I prided myself on being that person that could make money online without actually building a list or making a website or any of these things that I teach you to do on my channel right now. So when I first started out, I actually was using Twitter a lot to actually make clickbank commissions. So I was actually creating a bunch of different Twitter accounts. I was following thousands of people a day, and I was sending out tweets, you know, 2, 3, 4 times an hour amongst all these accounts. I had like this software that kind of did everything for me, and I just had to load everything up. And so I ended up getting to the point where I was making about $50 a day with just Twitter. And then as time went on, Twitter changed a lot of things, and a lot of these accounts got deleted. So a lot of that income well, pretty much all of that income went away. And I had a lot of buyers that I had basically accumulated over the time period when I was doing all that Twitter marketing. But I didn't have access to any of those people because I never built a list. I was basically just following a whole bunch of people in my target market. I was sending out a bunch of links on a consistent basis, and I would just get clicks, and then some people would buy and some people wouldn't. And basically that was just the way I started making money. I started generating about $50 a day doing that. But I had no idea that I could make so much more money if I would just build my list, right? And the first time I actually made over $1,000 in one day was due to list building, and I'll probably make a video about that in the near future. Number 2 is joining the gurus, right? So in internet marketing, there's a lot of different programs out there, a lot of different affiliate marketing systems that you can join, right? And so what I used to do in the beginning is I used to basically, you know, look at who was the big guru in every program or every system, and I would want to join that person, right? That big guru on the top of the food chain, so to speak, because he was the guy that I saw in the sales videos. He was the guy that was making all the sales, or the female that was making all the sales, and I wanted to join that person because I thought that person, that guru, would equate to success for myself. But what ends up happening, guys, like a lot of the gurus, you know, they don't have time to train you. They don't have time to answer your questions. They don't have time to actually get in the trenches with you and actually help you. If you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, and this person is telling you on their sales page that, oh, I'm gonna help you out, you contact me, it's my support ticket, I'm gonna be there every step of the way, it's 99% of the time it's not true, right? You're never going to hear from them, right? You probably hear from their support desk people that live in the Philippines or something like that, but they're not going to help you. My business didn't change until I started actually working with, so, you know, basically you have the guru, right? And then everybody's joining the guru, like all the different people down here are joining the guru here. So what I ended up doing was I ended up meeting people that was kind of like on my level here, that know a little bit more than me, or maybe they had a different skill set that was different from mine, and we partnered up, and that's how we were able to like grow our businesses together. So you got to think about it when you're joining these systems and these programs, when you're joining these gurus, 9 times out of 10, these gurus, you're never going to hear from them, right? You may join their membership site, and they may have a membership site to train you and this and that, but they're not going to be in the trenches with you. I mean, somebody that is not a guru, that is going to be in the trenches with you, that you can talk to on the phone, that you can email, that you can Skype with, that you can like literally message back and forth, that's going to help you catapult yourself and take both of you to the next level. So I did that when I joined. It was a particular program that I joined a while back ago, and I basically joined under somebody that wasn't the guru, but I could tell like he was already in the program and he was trying to do his best, and he was kind of like on my level, and we partnered up and we did very well with that system when it was around. Number 3, having unrealistic expectations. Again, you know, looking at the gurus, some of these sales pages, you're looking at these crazy numbers that these guys are making. They're making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. And I expected when I started to, you know, just jump out here, put a couple ads on the internet and make $10,000 by the next day. It just was not, you know, realistic. And I think a lot of people get into this industry and they feel the same way. They think they're gonna start making thousands of dollars by week 2, and it just doesn't work that way, guys. You have to put in some work. There's things that you need to do, and you have to consistently work at this, you know, affiliate marketing, online marketing, in order to build your business, right? So I would really say to anybody that's doing affiliate marketing, or if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, give yourself a solid 12 months, right? Give yourself a solid 12 months to learn and understand things, and as you learn, you should be starting to earn as you go. You know, get yourself a good mentor and then work with them, and if, you know, you're doing everything that you need to do in terms of taking daily action and doing the fundamental steps of this business, you should have a breakthrough, guys. Number 4, getting a mentor or a coach. So when I first started out, you know, I basically just bought a lot of courses and I was learning a lot of things, and I felt like I knew everything, right? But there is something about experience that these courses cannot teach you. So if I was to do it all over again, I would definitely invest earlier on in a coach or a mentor, someone that's actually been where I was at, and someone that, you know, is already at the point of where I was trying to get to, right? Because they've been through some of the stumbling blocks, because there's certain things that these courses can't teach you that someone of experience, somebody that's actually been down that road, could actually teach you. So it's definitely advisable that you get a coach or a mentor to kind of help you throughout the process, because they are actually going to help you save a lot of money and time. And just a side note, make sure that person is reputable, that they've been around for a long time and they've gotten proven results. Number 5, and this is the last thing that I would have wished that I would have done, you know, prior to starting my affiliate marketing business, and that is taking daily action, right? So again, when I first started out in online marketing, you know, my mindset was skewed because I'm looking at these gurus. They're saying they're only working 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day. And I felt like I didn't really need to be putting in, you know, hours upon hours, you know, investing into this, you know, investing a lot of my time into my business, because the gurus didn't, right? And I felt like I could just put in, you know, 20 minutes here, 20 minutes there, and I wasn't taking daily action. So I wasn't taking actionable steps that was going to lead to revenue generating activity. So I felt like if I just looked at a video, if I just did this, if I just did that here and there, I just wasn't that serious. I mean, I wanted to make money online, don't get me wrong, but I wasn't taking daily action on a consistent basis. I wasn't treating it like it was a real business, right? So if your family has to be fed on what you do on a daily basis, you go to work every day so that you can feed your family and pay your bills. So you almost have to treat your internet marketing business as if like your family depends on it. So this is something that you need to be doing every single day. You need to be putting in time, you know, learning. You need to be putting in time doing actionable steps, things that are going to produce revenue, like creating sales funnels, like writing emails, like purchasing ads, like, you know, creating content. These things are going to help you catapult your business and going to continue to move you forward so that you can make more money in your online business. So that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. That was my 5 things that I wish I would have done prior to starting my affiliate marketing business. I hope that you guys, if you're brand new looking at this channel, looking at this video, that you take heed to these 5 things and make sure you take action on these 5 things when you're starting your business, because it will save you a ton of time and a ton of money. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Make sure you check the description for my #1 recommended way to make money online, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.